everyone, welcome back to your heart readings. This is for all the signs, okay? So for everyone, like collective as we say. Sending you love from Bharat, India. Namaste. Follow me on Instagram, SSHE, LLSSC, Shells Running. Let's start. The message for you is, what if I believe you? This may be someone who is telling you, saying you might be saying it. But I have this energy while I was shuffling this deck. You had the energy of like, but that was not the time of taking them out. It was Ace of Cups, Nine of Pentacles supposedly, and the third one I don't remember. So maybe that's not what is for you. But with the Ace of Cups energy, there is something that is in the picture, okay? And it is also coming as if like, what if I believe you? So there may be some proposal around the corner. There may be someone who is talking to you right now. Someone who is with you. They are saying you something affectionate. And you are like, what if I believe you? You know, and what if I believe you does come with exclamations and question marks as well. You don't know whether you should believe them or not. And if you believe them, then on what basis you should believe? What if I believe you? What if I believe you? You can say this thing a lot. There is Eight of Wands energy. There is something that is connected with the disappointing phase possible, or something that is gone. Okay. For me, at times, this is also rest in peace. You need not to return, or something that is resting in peace and you don't want it. Those are rest in peace, like emotions, feelings, and all that stuff. But with the Eight of Wands energy, there is something in the air. There is something that is possible, contact, conversation here, travel possible, or something that is just in the starting phase. What if I believe you? I mean, maybe you people are thinking of, okay, if I believe, then where this communication will go? If I believe, where our journey will take us? Because if you don't dare, that's not fair, right? But if you dare and it does not work, then again it's not fair. So this is about, why should I play this? It's kind of like a dive in the ocean and you never know what will come out. Some prehistoric fish will come up. Oh my god. Okay. This Eight of Wands energy of the now phase is all about someone does want to return. They want to talk. Or this is about someone you are having conversation and they might be trying to make you believe something. We will see. What is... These are so many, I'm sorry. Okay, so you saw it, Ace of Cups and Page of Cups. But reverse. And I see the way it is coming, it's also the challenge. It is also something, Page of Cups reverse, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Or maybe this is the energy of like, not believing what someone is saying or what offering. You are not, yes, what if I believe you? But what if not? Because someone is not so sure about accepting something, or someone who is not taking something seriously right now. I'm telling you that because they might be talking, but I feel it feels though it's casual, and someone may be feeling like, I don't think that you're serious. I don't think that it's good. I don't think that way. Look, Ace of Cups is here. I don't know. But this person, they want to give this to you, possible, or you want to. The feelings are like, one of you, not sure because of certain, you know, something that happened with the same person, or with the something that happened in the past and now you don't know what to do. You don't know what to do, so you're not sure, and that's why you are observing. That's why you are in this hung situation of like, not exactly accepting, not coming down. I'm okay, fine, let me practice gymnast a little bit. Like kind of like, let me be flexible and let me be comfortable in this zone first, okay? I can't give you answer right now. So you're not giving answer to them. Even if it is about going out or, you know, something like that. You want to be sure, but I feel like they are offering you something. They are kind of like welcoming you. So I feel this is this person's energy. Now this may be yours or this person's. There may be, again, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Look, I feel in the present someone is going to show you that how sincere or serious they are with the S square, as I say. This may be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn vibe. I'm just giving you the signs, but they might be the one listening or dealing, okay? There's this opportunity. There's this offer, which is good. This is about sincerity someone is going to show towards you. Again, this may be something work-related stuff, connections going ahead. With all due love and honor. Something will be gaining back, like popularity, place, status, whatever it is, you're going to get back. Your work is looking good. A positive response for something that you might be feeling stuck with, you might be emotional for, you might be feeling hungry, okay? Whatever it is, there's this coming thing. You're going to be more strong with those things, and you're going to move with confidence. Making your dreams come true. Here you go with the Three of Wands energy. I heard the word secure. So there is some secure connection, secure work, looking ahead, dreams coming true, kind of like ships coming true. I feel that you're going to have the meeting of some sort, like here. The meeting can go for affectionate meeting, to work meeting, to your travel, even to someone's travel towards you. So it's like, okay, they might say, they may say that I'm going to come to meet you. And they may actually do, because it never happened. Because maybe someone told you, I'll come. No, it's not a worry. I will be doing all this stuff and all this stuff. But those words were just in the air and never action oriented. This time, it is going to be action oriented. This time, it is going to be real. Like, okay, I'll prepare the presentation. Just an example I'm telling you. And they never do. They just say. So someone's words, when they don't match with action. But this, I see, love is true, and there's going to be meeting, and there's going to be travel in someone's part here. There's going to be real-time movement or real-time meeting here. Whatever it is going to go further, okay? So you may have right now a long-distance relationship, but this is going to happen in real. The one who is saying something, they will do it. And then you may think about it. You may say that we will meet and then I'm going to decide on your offer, and they're going to meet you and they're going to tell you exactly what they feel. For that time, or till that time, you're going to recuperate. You're going to get ready for what you are supposed to do or what you're supposed to say when they are going to be here. Let me get ready, and let me conserve my energy, basically. Okay? I don't have guards up. I'm just taking this time to renew myself and to know what I really want out of this. This may come into as form of like retreat in your life with this person. The Empress. Important phase of your life will start. As a male or female, doesn't matter. Again, as an energy form, the Empress is all about fertile ambience. That's what I see in your life, in your relationship. There may be someone who's pregnant, possible, okay? And this is also, again, loving ambience that you're going to get. Someone is coming home. Look, Six of Wands, you're being victorious. And also, this is something that I see pomegranates all over. Like, it is going to be really, really juicy. It's going to be really, really loving, warm, and everything nice. It's like everything nice at once. That song. Everything at once, okay? Let's see from this. Like, this is something that is starting as a storyline, if it is starting as if, what if I believe you will turn into you can believe me. Okay? Okay, I believe you. What if I believe you? What you will do? Okay? Because I have had experiences, those were like shh. But now, what if I believe you is turning into believing you concept. Okay, fine. And then you are like, okay, now give me answer. And you're like, I just need a little bit of time. Okay, nice. Please give us some nice cards. Please give us some nice cards. Oh, whenever I say that, okay. Prison, some and foe, okay. These cards are telling me the energy of like someone who is in their own thoughts or in their own complexities or some kind of insecurity or feeling like I'm still in past energy or I'm prison to the past. Like I'm in the prison of the past, which is I'm chained in the past and I cannot start something, which exactly you can, and you have that nervousness or confidence problem possible. It's the new place if I can ever enter. So this is again there. Oh, I can't, but you can. Someone over here is worried about you, or you are worried about that person, which makes sense because you people are going to take stand for one another. You're coping and hoping for one another. What if I believe you? Someone want you to believe them. You want them to believe you. Frivolity. 11:11 recording time. I feel someone who is not taking things lightly. So this is love matter. This is some connection here. Situation. They are not taking this lightly. Someone is damn serious and serious, sincere and serious, as square for you, and you for them. They're ready to have, because they're ready. Ready means they're no longer caterpillar. They've gone through that metamorphosis situation. Okay, now they can fly. They're ready to come to you. And they are not taking things lightly with you. They're not just here to flirt. No. So this is something, what if I believe you? So don't take me lightly, honey. Okay? Someone who's going to steal your heart. Faithfulness. But steal your heart because they're going to pour faithfulness there. Thief who is going to steal your heart. Faithful thief who is a lover. Can be a lover. Okay guys, take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.